What are we doing? We're gonna go outside and give Rogue a bath. Yeah. And we're gonna lay out and get some sun. Bring the speaker out. Get crunk in the club. Crunk in the club. Serp, 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 serp. Woo, woo. Stop. Alright, so we're going to go out here. We're going to get cornhole set up. We're going to get Rogie Bear set up. And give him a bath. And we're going to tan. And so I just won cornhole again. How's it feel?
It feels nice.
Feels good? Yeah. I want to get in there. Hold on, I gotta tighten this thing up here. Look at the oils. Oh. This feels so good right now.
This is our makeshift beach.
This is our beach. AKA Rogue's bath. It is freezing.
I know, it feels nice.
I mean, it feels good, but it's not gonna feel good for Rogue.
I know, we gotta warm it up.
How are we gonna do that?
Leave it in the sun.
What if I pee in it? I can pee in it and I'll warm it up for Rogie Bear. Yeah, What are we gonna do now? Gonna tan for a little bit?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright, you tan for a little bit. I'll sit there. And then we'll hang out until the pool gets warm for Rogue.
Yeah,
and then we will.
4th of July, everyone.
Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Please be safe.
Please be safe. Like no energy right now.
I know, booger.
What the heck is, there we go. I have no energy. We're gonna watch fireworks again.
Because it's the 4th of July.
Because it's the 4th of July. Right now we're gonna go get some pizza. If they're open, we don't know if they're open yet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I got.
Yeah, that's it.
What else we got?
Nothing. You gotta check your mail.
I'll check my mail now.
Okay. Alright.
Might as well check the mail now. Oh, I'm tired of moving.
Booger, we just woke up from a nap. I don't like it. Why? Did you get a lot of mail?
Huh?
Did you get a lot of mail?
No.
Oh.
I did get our loan, or my loan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Missing 6 and then missing 1. John here. Yeah. We worked out with him.
What's up? John motherfucking Royster here. Woo! Going to pick up Abby. Then going to eat. Then working out at 3:30. Then going home. Edit the video. Call about our hats because I've had it and I'm done waiting on other people. So I want to make a phone call and get our shit in, because we have a deadline that we have to make or meet, and we need those hats. So I'll be making that phone call today in a little bit. It's been plenty enough time for this company that we're working with to get us the hats, but you can't really beat the price that we're getting. So okay, out here. Let me text Bay, and then we will go get some food.
Military life.
Oh, there's a bug in there. I'm out. Alright, you're good. Followed in there.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. What's up? John Royster here, going to the gym. It's freaking leg day, and we're about to get after it with some Zercher squats, alright? So, talked to the hat people today. Our hats are in. I sent them the design that we want stitched onto the hat. They are in the process of making that happen now. I told them that we needed to have the hats. Our deadline for the freaking hats was the 17th of this month. So, if they hold their word and I keep pushing it and annoying the shit out of them, we'll have Rooster Strong hats by the 17th of July. So, we're gonna sell these hats for like 25 bucks. So, be sure to 25, 30 bucks, probably $25. We can't do a design mock-up digitally for our hats. It doesn't look right. So we're gonna get like 15 hats or something like that, 12 hats, I don't know, 12 hats to start off with. We're gonna sell them at an upcoming seminar that I'm gonna do. Once we have that hat, we'll post the pictures online and probably do a, I guess you could call it pre-order. I don't know what you want to call it, but we want to sell them. I just want to get the design in my hands before I just pre-order hats so nobody can really tell what they look like. And plus I want to see the quality of the hats too. So be on the lookout for hats. I just pulled into the gym. Holy cow. I didn't bring the bands for reverse bands deadlifts. I didn't bring the bands. Fart. So we're going to be using mini bands today for reverse band deadlifts. So I forgot the bands. I forgot the big orange bands. And I can't remember if we use those or the mini bands that I have for reverse band deadlifts. So we don't have the big orange ones with us today. We're going to be using the minis. We'll see where we're at. Who knows? We still might be able to set a PR. So I'm going to head in the gym, about to do a warm up, meet my lady, and then we'll get after it. Peace. Alright, I want to show you how to do the Zercher squat, alright? Just to protect your arms. Keep your back flat, right?
Okay.
Step out. Keep everything upright, because if not, it's going to throw you forward. Your arms are going to
Okay.
the weight.
Shouldn't I have the safety things there?
Yeah, we can.
That ass though.
That's it.
Okay.
Good time.